Hi, this is my Luna take-home. I chose the reverse engineer at undocumented API track. So I built a Roomsignal, a relationship intelligence app for finding the business opportunities around the events, and also separate the local probing engine to discover the public event data endpoint. Probing engine here. So as a probing engine here, we can see on the left side, we can give one URL. For example, we have I have no this URL. We don't have any documented API, so we can use this. It's undocumented. So and right now you can choose one provider you want, for example OpenAI or let's go Anthropic, and then we can choose the model you choose, and then you can configure the next steps, next request. This is a stop condition, and then after it feels good, you can just start experiment, and it will keep running. So right now we will really this old check because we really want to filter out the sensitive data, because our crawling is we should follow the standards. For example, the robots text, any constraint we need to understand first, and then we safely to use the only get endpoints to try. We never use other kind of put this kind of inserted events, yeah, and to make it safely and make it follow the rules. And also after running that, it's still running, so it's an agent loop. So for example, right now we use Anthropic as an agent brand, and it will choose which tool can we use. For example, the static JS API discovery. Do we really need to use right now to fetch more data or not? Or do we have enough data? Yes. So okay, useful endpoint has extracted records or report. So that means it has already found something here. So compare what's the model brand differently. So for example, we use let's say we use the Anthropic. So let's compare Gemini and OpenAI and the Anthropic Cloud. Okay, let's compare. So yeah, they all find two useful candidates. Yeah, and let's see what's different. So the cloud use the less requests and use the less candidates, but it has the same result. Yeah, and you can compare to the cloud to the OpenAI as well. Okay. So right now it's Cloud and OpenAI, and Cloud also have less requests and less candidates. Yeah, it's really cool. Okay, so it turns out the Cloud probably be more efficient because it use less requests than the Cloud than the OpenAI and Gemini to find the same useful APIs. Okay, so this is the probing engine. We let the agent to run their tool and to find the potential endpoints and verify it. And okay, so after that we run that, we can upload these endpoints to the DB, which is the superbase we have used. So right now, the first step, it will ask you a question: what is your primary goal for event search? So okay, and I will say yes, investors. I will, yeah, for customers. Yeah, because while I'm recording the video and the voice, so I cannot use the recording button here for the demo. Sorry for here, but it's really useful that you can just say the English and you don't need to type anything. Okay, and right now I want to say, yeah, what I'm trying to meet. I want to try to meet the software. Yeah, software, and also what kind of strong signal. Let's talk about AI agents and what should be excluded. Excluded. Yeah, we don't want the student events, right? And we don't want the crypto as well. Yeah, and what's region? Probably just run SF, and because this customer is better in person. And then what makes the match valuable to you? Yeah, there are buying authority. Yeah, and also do you already have? No. And yeah, what kind of drafts AI will help me? Kind and yeah, just say be friendly, humorous. Okay, and then you can see the details. We want to find the customer software company, So you can find, oh, there's like a AWS agent Impact Summit in San Francisco. Okay, so let's try. Oh yeah, they do have the agents Impact Summit here. So for this, we probably can, yeah. I saw AI agents important summit is a focus on getting AI agents help demo land and into a production. I'm working on meeting software teams who are actually evaluating agent workflows. I'd love to say hi in SF. I promise to ask whether the agents can attend the networking for us yet. Yeah, this is like a little bit humorous, right? Yeah, so we probably can connect it to the potential connect to this person and use this draft like in message. Yeah, and also there's like other AI events. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, and then finally I want to show on this app is also like responsive. So you can definitely use as a as a phone when you're using phone. Yeah, and yeah, that's all the demo I have here.